Sir, di po
RJ.
yung Coach RG.
Coach RJ Argamin.
Ah,
Head
Coach,
coach po. Sorry.
Coach, so far, kamusta po yung chemistry ng team? Tomorrow po ba yung alis?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow na 2 p.m.
Kamusta naman yung teams?
Yung chemistry, okay naman po. Kahit short period of time lang yung preparation. Professional naman sila. They've been playing more than a decade now with professional teams also. Okay naman, i-adapt agad sila. Pero syempre, ano pa rin, iba pa rin yung habang preparation. But, it's not an excuse for us. We're still gonna compete. Kasi, like for example, what I told Terence kaya ka nandito para just play your game. Wala na kailangan patunayan. Kasi, kilala ka na ng tao. All you have to do is go there, enjoy, compete, play for, and represent Philippines in Zamboanga. That's what I'm
Coach na banggit mo importansya yung mahabang preparasyon. Pero dito ba may mga adjustments ba tayo? Nahihirapan ba tayo sa adjustments?
Well, siguro nag-adapt na lang po kami. So, it's part of it's beyond their control. So, kasi hindi rin kami makapag-prepare early kasi yung mga players wala rin dito. So, it's useless. So, by the time na siguro 1 or 2 weeks na nandito lahat. So yun, yung kami nakapag-prepare. Kung ano yung nandito, yun lang. Yun lang. So nag-adapt lang kami. So, yun. Basta, magko-compete na kami din. We'll do our best, we'll compete, we'll represent Philippines and Zamboanga at the best of our ability.
As of the moment, handa na team.
Yes.
Yung
I can say na 100 na. Kasi we built an offensive system na it will be uh, for the guards, for our guards, especially our guards kasi yung 4-out-1 system namin, it's more on driving kicks, more on leads, more on adaptability. So hindi siya scripted movements, it's more on dun sa skill set nila. It's based on their skill set, it's based on their need. So yun. So, okay man. Kasi yung naging practices namin, competitive naman. So, I think we can really execute on offense. And of course, syempre sa defense, siguro, based on scouting, medyo malalaki talaga yung mga kalaban. Medyo mabibilis din. So, we're gonna, it will depend on our scouting na lang. So, we're gonna, take it one game as a time.
Gano'n ka na kung bagay na meron kayo
Yung kahit na, kahit yung nandyan lang siya, nakikita mo siya nag-shooting, makikita mo yung work ethic niya. Alam mo, galing talaga sa best of the best. So, yung leadership niya nandun, bigay mo yung bola sa kanya, he knows what to do with the ball, he knows how to execute, ball screen, he knows how to, so, alam mong, NBA caliber talaga eh. So, doon, we play off him. Bigyan namin yung bola sa kanya, let him lead the defense. And on defense naman, he's able to communicate with his teammates. So, those things, malaking bagay para sa amin.
with Greg